Making chat noises to Nonstop and my followers. First, here comes Nonstop. He's a YouTuber who subscribed to my channel. Alright, Nonstop. Do you have lights in your house? You do? Okay. Turn off the lights! Turn them off! Turn it on! Do you like my videos, Nonstop? I never thought you all and my followers can subscribe to my channel. I only have 17 subscribers. Do you like My Hero Academia? Yes! Well, why can you just say so? I like My Hero Academia too. I used to play My Hero Academia on the Switch all the time, baby. Yeah. But usually, yeah, I play it all the time at my Switch. And usually, yeah. Are my drawings good? No? Look, I got mittens for hands. I'm trying my best. Okay, Alright, thank you, Nonstop. Next up is Pea Shooter and Bellsprout. Alright. So, Pea Shooter and Bellsprout. Do you like my videos? You do? Thank you so much. I like to appreciate. Second question. Do you have lights in your house? On? Okay. Turn it off! Do you like Encanto? You do? I like it. I hate Encanto. It sucks. It's horrible. Second question. Why do you like Bellsprout and Pea Shooter? Well, Pea Shooter and Bellsprout are kind of like the same thing. So they're basically both pea shooters. And if you don't see that right kid up top, that's my brother, butt naked. Anyways, thank you so much, Bellsprout and Pea Shooter. Spelled that backwards, by the way. Next up we have Yub. Alright, Yub. Do you like my videos? Yep. Okay. Thank you so much. Do you like playing games? You do? Great. Do you like my Nintendo DS? I never thought so. How do you? And do you like Huggy Wuggy Jr.? Right. Twat. Anyways, do you like all my videos? Bro, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Alright, next up is
Stop, get up.
Next up is Vandamelon. Alright. So, alright, Vandamelon. I like your videos. So far. I mean, basically. I like your videos. I appreciate your videos. I like it when Isabel comes in. You know what? I have Isabel. Well, I have Isabel. See, I legit have Isabel. You could just take that and... Yeah, I have Isabel. You can appreciate that. Alright, a few questions. Do you like the Nintendo DS? You do? Oh, yes! I never thought so. So, second question. Do you like My Hero Academia? Bro, thank you so much. I appreciate your videos, man. Thank you so much, Vandamelon. Alright, the next one is Poise. Alright, Poise. Do you like my videos? You do? Thank you. Alright. Do you like games? Sheesh, I like games too. Well, third question. Are you a swagger? You are? Well, me too. Me too. Romazoc 1620 is also a swagger. Fourth question. Do you like My Hero Academia? You do? Man, you are so swag. Thank you so much, Poise. Alright. Now, I think the last one is Dashy Games. He's also a swagger. Alright, Dashy Games. Do you like Romazoc 1620? You do? Wow, thank you so much. Second question. Do you like Mr. Gaming Watch? You do? No, actually you don't. Okay, so yeah, I could tell, maybe you don't like the Gaming Watch game. Alright. Do you play games that have SpongeBob in it? You do? Wow. Do you like Mario Kart? Wow. Whew. This guy actually likes Mario Kart. Alright. So, thank you guys for watching. And thank you all and all those YouTubers that I said. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. And like you guys, see you later. You guys are all my followers. Booger, get out of here!